Hey there, DIY enthusiasts! Today we're tackling a crucial topic, replacing your water heater. But before you dive into this project, there are a few things you need to know. Stick around as we discuss the why, how, and what to consider when replacing your water heater. Let's jump in! Now, I know some of you might be thinking about taking on the challenge of replacing your water heater on your own. But here's a word of caution. It's not as simple as it seems. There's a risk of injury, and you could potentially cause more damage to your home. That's why consulting a professional is the safest route. Remember, when it comes to electrical or water installations, always rely on a professional. Even the slightest negligence in these areas can have serious consequences. Replacing a water heater involves the expertise of both a skilled electrician and plumber. If you're dealing with a rented water heater, it's best to contact the heating company directly in case of any issues. The entire process of replacing a water heater requires careful planning. From selecting the right type of water heater to the actual replacement process, leave it to the professionals to handle the details. Now let's talk about why you might want to replace your water heater. Think of a faulty water heater as a blessing in disguise. It's an opportunity to review and upgrade your entire heating system, potentially saving you money in the long run. A malfunctioning water heater can lead to various issues, and recognizing the signs of a bad water heater is crucial to addressing problems early on. Here are some common signs that your water heater may be experiencing issues. If your water heater is not producing hot water, or if the hot water runs out quickly, there may be an issue with the heating element or the thermostat. Popping, banging, or rumbling noises coming from the water heater may indicate sediment buildup at the bottom of the tank. This buildup can affect the efficiency of the heating element. Visible water around the base of the water heater is a clear sign of a leak. Leaks can be caused by a variety of issues, including a faulty temperature and pressure relief valve, a leaking drain valve, or corrosion inside the tank. Rusty or discolored water coming from the hot water taps can indicate corrosion inside the water heater tank. This is a sign that the tank is deteriorating, and it may eventually lead to a leak. If the water temperature fluctuates unexpectedly, it could be due to a faulty thermostat, a damaged heating element, or sediment buildup. Reduced water pressure in both hot and cold water lines may be a sign of sediment accumulation in the water heater tank or issues with the water supply. A foul odor coming from the hot water taps can be a result of bacterial growth inside the tank. This can happen when the water heater is not regularly flushed. The average lifespan of a traditional tank water heater is around 10-15 years. If your water heater is approaching or exceeding this age, it may be prone to various issues and may need replacement. Rust or corrosion on the outside of the tank is a clear indication that the tank is deteriorating. This can eventually lead to leaks. When you replace an old water heating system with a new one, you're not just changing the heater. Old thermostats and radiators get an upgrade too. Old systems can be inefficient, costing you more to keep them running. Modern thermostats are well insulated and can be controlled externally through mobile applications, offering improved energy efficiency. Now, how do you choose the right size of water heater for your home? It's a critical decision that depends on your household's water needs and potential future increases in consumption. There are different types of water heaters, so let's break it down. Conventional water heaters. These have a storage tank and are suitable for specific water output requirements. However, they may struggle when demand increases. Tankless water heaters. They heat water directly, ensuring you never run out. Keep in mind they might take a bit of time to heat up as water travels through the pipes. Water heaters with heat pumps. These are highly energy efficient, transferring heat from one source to another without generating heat. They are 3 times more energy efficient than other types. To select the best water heater, consider factors like the type of fuel available, its cost, and the size of the water heater. Choosing the wrong size can lead to energy losses and increased operational costs. Apart from selecting the right size, protecting your water tank is crucial. Enameling is an affordable way to prevent corrosion. Copper linings and stainless steel tanks are also effective, but their efficiency can be influenced by factors like water acidity or chlorine content. It's worth noting that municipal water programs may contain chlorine. If you use well water, consider testing it for potential impacts. Now let's talk about the mode of heating. The most common method involves an electric cartridge in direct contact with the water, offering energy efficiency. Water heaters can also use natural gas or oil for heating. Installation is another critical aspect. Water heaters are usually mounted next to a wall on a concrete base. Ensure the wall can withstand the weight, around 200 lbs. So, if you're considering replacing your water heater, remember, contact a skilled professional. They'll guide you through the process, ensuring a smooth replacement and helping you choose the best water heater for your needs. If you found this information helpful, give us a thumbs up, subscribe for more DIY tips, and hit that notification bell.